you're on YouTube, you're seeing all these people getting all excited about the animal farm and pigs to the moon. And you're looking at the website and you're like, what do I have to do here? Where do I even buy pigs? What the heck is Pancake Swap? What the heck is an LP token? A liquidity pair? Really? What do you put two things together? And why do we have to call it pigs and dogs? I mean, I'm a freaking adult and I'll show you a dog. This is what a dog is. I don't get it. It's like just mind blowing. Hey, I made another video. I wanted to do another in-depth follow-up to really kind of go over exactly step by step how you can enter the piggy bank and what a liquidity pair is and how to do it. And it's actually a lot simpler than you think. I am horrible with computers, just awful. I mean, and yet I love to make money online because making money from anywhere in the world sounds just magical to me. So as much as I hate computers and I don't know how to use them, I've somehow figured it out a little bit, and I'm going to walk you through it because it's actually not as difficult as you think. So let's jump into this here. What we do is we come on here, you got to connect your Metamask wallet. Okay. And you got to get, assuming you have BUSD in your Metamask wallet, you come over here. Really cool that Forex added that little button, makes things a lot easier. So I need to buy some pigs because I don't have any in my wallet. I just have BUSD. Okay, so we're going to come over to this and I need to connect my wallet. It's connecting now to Pancake Swap. So I hit next and I'm going to go ahead. Yes, connect. All right, now my wallet's up here and we are going to come switch that around and we're going to do BUSD. So I have 1,291. Now, because I'm going to be creating a liquidity pair, which you need half, right? Basically, you need an equal amount in value of PIGS tokens and an equal amount of value in BUSD. So I'm going to take that 1291. I'm going to divide it by 2, which is 645.5. So that's how much we want. So I click there. I want 645. And that will give me 3 pigs. And again, remember, what you need is the equal amount, because then I will have a remaining 645 to then match with the pigs that I'm about to buy. So we're going to go ahead and swap, confirm swap, confirm here. There we go. And remember to add this to your MetaMask if you haven't already. This is the new pigs token, the AFP token. I already have it in there, so I don't need to add it. We'll close. And as you can see, now it's showing. Now getting to the liquidity. We want to add liquidity. And here it is right here. So click that. And I remember this yesterday. Now I'm sure there's a really simple way to do this, but I do things the hard way. And for those that are not great with computers like me, just follow along. Blind leading the blind. Like I said in the last video, I'm just going to exit out of Pancake Swap altogether, come back to here. All right. Then I'm going to go back to this buy. This is the little button you can press to get over to Pancake Swap. I'm going to click that. Okay. I'm going to reconnect my wallet again and it's connected. Now, instead of hitting the trade button, I'm going to do add liquidity. And it's already got the AFP up here, which as you can see, I have 3.723, blah, blah, blah. Now, currency, BUSD, and we're going to max my pigs. Now it's insufficient funds, and that's because I think I had a little bit of a leftover balance of pigs. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. And the reason we know it's insufficient, it's not giving us that button to buy. So I'm going to change this. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to max my BUSD. Yeah, and as you can see, because this is the amount of pigs that I bought, I had a leftover balance from before. So I'll probably just throw the leftover balance into the pig pen. But I hope that made sense in terms of matching this up, right? So basically when you're matching, what I do just to make it simple is whichever one has a little bit lesser value, you max that one out. Okay. Supply. We're going to confirm it here. And remember, you want to add this to your wallet if you haven't already. It's the LP token, which we will then deposit into the piggy bank. Let's just come double check our Metamask wallet. Come over to assets. That's what we just added in there. This was 0 right before that. Okay, and then this is my leftover balance of pigs. So we're going to come back to the animal farm and let's refresh. Always refresh, because as you can see, it's not showing anything. So I just like to refresh. It's probably going to ask me again to connect my wallet, which is fine. It's connected. It's got this here. All right. Now here's where we get to select the time lock bonus. But first, if you remember, we have to, again, I could not, last night, the first time I did this, I could not get the this button to light up. And I was like, what is going on? Where is like a, deposit all? I couldn't find it. I mean, it was pretty embarrassing. And then I realized you have to manually do it. All right. So let's do that real quick. All right. I'm going to do a full month here to take advantage of that time lock bonus. You can go way out here, and just make sure you're compounding every single day during that. So then we're going to hit buy. You acknowledge, confirm, and we want to see a third one appear. Or we can do the way I like to do and just refresh, because I'm impatient and I feel like something's broken. So if I refresh it, I feel like I've fixed something. You guys know what I'm talking about. Come on. You guys do the same thing. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it 100. So we're going to reconnect the wallet. It's connected. It's showing. I always like to leave the one on the end there. Boom. And there it is. Hope you found this to be helpful. Please, if you did, hit that like button, subscribe. And of course, if you have any questions or anything, leave a comment down below. I will also leave my buddy address, which you can use when you enter into the piggy bank. It would certainly help support the channel. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Again, catch you guys on the next one. I ain't just an average Joe, way above the average flow. Boy, my life is most dope.